Chapter 18, Class 8, Pollution of Air and Water. In this chapter, we will study about the concept of pollution, causes of air and water pollution, harmful effects of air and water pollution, control measures of air and water pollution, and the safe drinking water and water supply. Children, the chapter is very easy, so be ready. Yes, children, we know very well that we can live for some time without food, but we cannot live even for a few seconds without air. So, air, this is the first thing that we need to live. And on the other hand, we all are aware that our environment is not what it used to be. Its quality and purity is decreasing day by day, or in other words, we can say it is getting polluted. It is getting polluted day by day. And how do you feel when you sit in a place where there is a lot of smoke? You would feel uncomfortable and you will feel difficulty in breathing. Sometimes even tears may come out of your eyes. While on hilly areas and on seashore, the air is comparatively pure and fresh. Also, if you compare the life of villages and that of cities, you can very well feel the difference in the quality of air. This is due to the fact that the air in mountains and villages is usually free from pollutants like smoke. The number of vehicles, industry, and people is less in these areas. The forest area, this is also responsible to absorb carbon dioxide and make the air fresh. The air, this is a mixture of gases. Children, we have studied in the lower classes also. It contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.95% inert gases, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and traces of several other gases. It also contains water vapors and dust particles. Composition of different constituent of air varies from place to place. Our environment is under a great threat because most of the activities of men practically add to the pollution of the air around us. Now, for your more information inside box, the industrial disaster occurred in Bhopal in December 1984. This was the world's worst disaster. This was caused due to the leakage of deadly gas called methyl isocyanate (MIC) from the storage tank of the United Carbide pesticide factory. Near about 2,500 people died and thousands got sick. The after effects of this poisonous gas can still be seen among the people of that place. Pollution is the contamination or mixing of our physical environment consists mainly of air, water and soil. The contaminations of air, water and soil. So that is pollution. The substances which contaminate the environment. So these substances are called pollutant. Children, we are seeing figure 18.1. Smoke coming out of factory. The smoke, this is polluting air. Air pollution. Addition of harmful and undesirable substances in air. This is called air pollution. The harmful substances which pollute the air, they are called air pollutants. If you see a beam of sunlight or beam of light of torch in the dark, then you will notice thousands of minute particles moving around in the air. These are the particles of dust. Now, if air contains harmful impurities, it is said to be polluted. Dust, smoke, and chemical fumes, pollens, and germs. These are the some impurities which are present in the air. Activity 1. Aim to see the amount of dust in the air. The method or procedure is take two leaves of similar size from a tree or plant growing near a heavy traffic area. Also collect two leaves from the same species of tree or plant from a garden which is away from the traffic area. Clean both the surfaces of all the leaves with a thin cloth. Now you can take the leaves from other areas also and compare them. Make a table in your notebook and note in which area the leaves are very dirty and in which area leaves are less dirty. From this activity, you can find the leaves from the area which is near the traffic, heavy traffic. They are very dirty because of the pollutant. Now, causes of air pollution. Air pollution can be caused by natural causes or by human activity. Natural causes. First is wind and storms. Whenever there are strong winds and storm, huge amount of dust and sand pollute the air. Second cause is explosion and eruption of volcanoes. Due to the volcanic eruption, lots of gases and particulate matter they are released along with lava. Explosions also result in air pollution. The third cause is forest fire. Huge amount of smoke and ash are released into the air whenever forest fire occurs. So these are the three causes of air pollution. Fourth point is marshland. Large amount of methane gas produced from marshland. Marshland means the areas which have muddy land, or in Hindi you can say daldal. So they pollute the air by contributing to greenhouse effect. Methane gas, it is a greenhouse gas. And the fifth pollutant, these are pollen grains and the fog. So they also pollute the air. Human activity, automobiles. We have seen that a number of vehicles are increasing rapidly in our cities. When we are moving or walking on the road, then we observe this. A number of vehicles, they are increasing day by day on the road. The exhaust emissions from these vehicles contain poisonous substances like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen oxide, particulate matter, and smoke. These all cause air pollution when they are released into the atmosphere. Domestic activities. When wood, cow dung cakes, coal, and kerosene are burnt to cook food, these generate thick smoke which pollute the air. This smoke contains sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and unburned carbon compounds. Industries. Many of the industries like chemical plants, steel, fertilizer, sugar, and cement manufacturing units emit large amount of smoke and pollutants like oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, lead particles, and chlorofluorocarbons. All these substances pollute the air. For example, the emissions from the oil refinery at Mathura and the numerous coal burning industry at Agra contain sulfur dioxide, which causes acid rain. Many industries produce chemical, some of which escape into the atmosphere and causing air pollution. Now the fourth is agricultural activities. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture pollutes the air. Pesticides are those chemical compounds which are used for killing pests that destroy agricultural production or in some way are harmful to the humans. Pesticides cause harm when they are sprayed regularly in large quantity. Figure 18.5 spray of pesticide by aeroplane. So this has been shown. Now, fifth point is burning of refuse. Due to the burning of refuse, a lot of smoke and ash is produced into the atmosphere. This you have observed in the month of October to November. The pollution that is only due to the burning of refuse. Air is polluted by the presence of gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and oxides of nitrogen. Now, the sixth point is thermal power plants. In thermal power plants, huge amount of coal is burnt to produce electricity. The smoke and fly ash is released into the atmosphere. Fly ash consists of minute particles of silica, alumina, lead, arsenic, etc. It can cause irritation and respiratory disorders. Now, the seventh point is nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant pollute air by releasing radioactive rays. And the eighth is deforestation, indiscriminate cutting of trees and clearing of forest increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and thereby pollutes it. Ninth point is use of chlorofluorocarbon. Refrigerator, fire extinguisher and aerosol sprayer pollute air. Also is responsible for depletion of ozone layer. They pollute air as well as deplete ozone layer. 10th point is smoke. Smoke is generated from the exhaust of vehicles like bus, car, auto rickshaw or a scooter. It also comes out from a factory chimney. Speeding cars and trucks cause dust to rise from the roads. Fly ash is generated by the thermal power plant. All these cause pollution. Stone dust. Fine dust of stone particle. Fine dust of stone particles is produced when stones are dug out from beneath the earth and cut, polished or crushed. This stone dust enters into the air. When the air is inhaled, the stone dust damages the respiratory organ. It can cause many serious disorders like cancer, etc. In the next video, we will discuss some air pollutant, their sources and their effects.